REPTIZOO Smart Device World Debut. Smart Wi-Fi Thermal Hygrometer Controller. Smart Wi-Fi Top Fill Humidifier. Smart Wi-Fi Deep Dome Lamp Fixture. Smart Wi-Fi Heat Mat. Smart Wi-Fi Top Fill Humidifier. Unique top-filling water design. No need to unveil the cover. 3-gear fog volume adjustable and can be easily controlled by mobile app or manually. Spray volume in each gear can be adjusted at will. Extra quiet operation. Good atomization effect. Smart linkage model for multiple devices working at the same time. Linked with Smart Wi-Fi lamp fixture to set heating temperature range across the mobile app. Linked with Smart Wi-Fi heat mat to set heating temperature range through the mobile app. Linked with Smart Wi-Fi Top Fill Humidifier to set humidification range through the mobile app. Check the temperature and humidity data within 7 hours through the mobile app. Start a new experience of breeding with no fear of traveling. Anytime and anywhere, make smart breeding within reach. Itanyun app. The exclusive official app of REPTIZOO Smart Devices. Support multi-device smart linkage. Various ways to provide all breeding environments. Remote control. Through the mobile app to remotely control device switch and timing mode. Itanyun Store. Enjoy smart life and easily enjoy the convenience and fun of reptiles keeping. Data recording and breeding environment management. Check the temperature and humidity data within 7 hours and manage devices according to different areas. Itanyun app. REPTIZOO create a new era of smart reptiles breeding for reptile keepers. Please go to the App Store to search and download the official Itanyun app.